Chimpanzees, our closest living relatives, share nearly 99% of our DNA, a fact that highlights just how interconnected we are with the natural world. Journeying through the dense tropical forests and open savannas of Central and Western Africa, these remarkable primates live in complex societies, forging relationships, navigating challenges, and demonstrating intelligence that continues to captivate scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. The life of a chimpanzee is rooted in community. Each group, known as a troop or community, can range from a modest gathering of 20 to bustling assemblies of more than 100 individuals. Yet, within these larger communities, chimpanzees do not remain static. Instead, they form smaller subgroups or parties that shift throughout the day. These fluid dynamics are driven by the ebb and flow of food availability, individual interests, and the intricate web of social relationships that bind each member together. As dawn breaks and the first rays of sunlight filter through the canopy, chimpanzees awaken from their nests, ingeniously constructed platforms of branches and leaves perched high in the trees. Safety is paramount, and these nests provide refuge from nocturnal predators, offering a vantage point from which to greet the new day. Stretching and vocalizing, the troop members begin their morning routines, driven by an instinctive need to forage and feed. The search for food is a sophisticated endeavor. Chimpanzees are omnivores, but their diet leans heavily toward fruits, supplemented by leaves, seeds, flowers, and the occasional treat of insects or small animals. Their intelligence is on full display during these foraging sessions. Some chimpanzees have mastered the art of tool use, selecting just the right stick to probe termite mounds, fishing for the nutritious insects inside. Others wield stones as hammers, skillfully cracking open the hard shells of nuts to reveal the nourishing kernels within. These behaviors are not innate. Rather, they are learned through observation, imitation, and practice, passed down from one generation to the next. As the sun rises higher and the heat intensifies, the pace slows. Chimpanzees seek the shade of large trees, settling in for midday rest. This is a time for grooming, an activity that serves a dual purpose. On the surface, grooming helps maintain hygiene, removing dirt, parasites, and dead skin. But beneath this practical function lies a deeper significance. Grooming is the social glue that holds chimpanzee societies together. As fingers and lips meticulously comb through fur, bonds are strengthened, alliances are forged, and tensions are soothed. The act of grooming is both a gift and a request, a way to show trust, affection, and loyalty. Social life among chimpanzees is rich and complex. Friendships blossom, rivalries flare, and hierarchies shift, all within the ever-changing tapestry of the community. Dominant individuals, often older, larger males, may assert their status through displays of strength, but even the most powerful must navigate the subtleties of cooperation and diplomacy. Females, too, play vital roles, guiding infants, forming alliances, and influencing the group's direction and activities. Communication is the lifeblood of these interactions. Chimpanzees possess a repertoire of vocalizations, each carrying distinct meanings. From the exuberant pant-hoot chorus that marks excitement or reunion, to sharp alarm calls that warn of predators, their voices resonate through the forest, But sound is only part of the story. Gestures, ranging from gentle touches to dramatic arm waves, and nuanced facial expressions communicate emotions and intentions with remarkable clarity. A smile may signal playfulness, a scowl could indicate displeasure, and a subtle glance might convey a request or invitation. As the afternoon unfolds, chimpanzees venture further afield in search of food. Their movements are purposeful, guided by memory and experience. Older individuals recall the locations of fruiting trees, seasonal changes, and the whereabouts of water sources. Youngsters, brimming with curiosity, follow and learn, absorbing the lessons of survival from their elders. Occasionally, the group encounters other communities, leading to displays of territoriality or, in rare cases, conflict. These encounters are fraught with tension as the boundaries of home ranges are respected and defended. Despite the challenges of life in the wild, chimpanzees exhibit moments of joy and playfulness. Juveniles chase each other through the underbrush, tumbling and wrestling in exuberant games that build strength and social skills. Mothers cradle infants with tenderness, nurturing them through the vulnerable early years. Siblings share laughter and squabbles, forging lifelong connections that will shape their futures. As evening approaches and the forest begins to quiet, chimpanzees prepare for nightfall. Once again, the art of nest building comes into play. Each individual selects a suitable tree, skillfully bending branches and weaving leaves to create a secure and comfortable bed. This nightly ritual is a testament to their ingenuity and adaptability, ensuring safety and rest before another day begins. The intelligence of chimpanzees extends beyond survival. They are curious, inventive, and capable of problem-solving. Some have been observed using leaves as sponges to soak up water, while others craft tools for specific tasks. Their ability to learn, remember, and innovate sets them apart, drawing intriguing parallels to human cognition. Researchers have documented instances of cultural variation among different chimpanzee communities with distinct traditions in tool use, grooming, and social behavior. Their emotional lives are equally profound. Chimpanzees experience joy, grief, empathy, and even a sense of fairness. When a member of the community is injured or ill, others may offer comfort and care. Upon the death of a companion, individuals sometimes remain at the site, mourning and reflecting, a poignant reminder of the depth of their social bonds. The relationship between humans and chimpanzees is a story of connection and responsibility. Our shared ancestry is etched into our DNA, but it is also reflected in our behaviors, emotions, and societies. Observing chimpanzees offers us a mirror, revealing the roots of our own humanity and the intricate web of life to which we belong. Yet the future of chimpanzees is uncertain. Habitat loss, hunting, and disease threaten their populations, pushing them ever closer to the brink. Conservation efforts are underway, striving to protect their habitats and ensure their survival for generations to come. The challenge is immense, but the stakes are clear. In safeguarding chimpanzees, we honor our shared heritage and affirm our commitment to the natural world. In the end, the story of the chimpanzee is one of resilience, community, and wonder. Their lives, shaped by intelligence and emotion, remind us of the profound connections that bind all living creatures. By understanding and protecting them, we not only preserve a vital part of our planet's biodiversity, but also deepen our appreciation for the intricate tapestry of life that surrounds us.